beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. A happy Sunday, a happy new week to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. This hairstyle is one of the most classy, beautiful short hairstyles for beautiful black women. And today we have some short hairstyles for beautiful black women to enhance their beauty, and this hairstyle is sure to complement every woman's skin tone. If you're also looking for that kind of color highlight to really suit your skin, that's favorable to all skin, you also need to watch this video to the end, because we also have some beautiful color that is so mature and classy. Whether you want the urban or you want the platinum mixed with some blonde and some other colors of your choice, you have to watch this video to the end. This hairstyle is another cute haircut for beautiful mature women, because it will definitely take many years of their age. And this style is wash and go style. Don't forget to use the right product, like the Kings and Coils to be good for this particular hairstyle on the screen. The Miel is also another good product if you want those defined coils. And Kings and Coils is also for this kind of hair, like using those pre-lightening and all that to really give you those beautiful colors on the screen. I just love this haircut. It's so dashing. It's that kind of dope short haircut that is great for beautiful women, and it suits all workspace, whether you are the boss lady or you're thinking if this hair can be okay for work or for office. This is a cute style that is acceptable anywhere and anytime, and it's that kind of fashionable hairstyle for the beautiful fashionable women. So if you're really looking for style option for your next party, or you really want something that's simple yet classy, you really need to watch this video to the end. If you're first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. See the Women Hairstyles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now, and catch ya in the next video.
free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.